Hello guys, good afternoon, happy Mother's Day. Ayon kay Mother's Day man ngayon, kain tang mangga. Kain tayong mangga guys, Mother's Day man. Mangga na walang sausawan. Kasi ayaw ko magsawsaw ng bagoong, may asin ako dito. Iodized salt naman, sobrang alat ng iodized salt, kaya kain tayo ng mangga walang sausawan. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Happy Mother's Day. Bye.